almost every one of the clients that I have worked with in the last 2 years want another store. We are looking for new locations. We are actively checking for locations. And it's just the success that they're having with their first initial store, or some of them, their second or third stores.
Oh, without a doubt. I don't know that I would be here without Trudy's help. I'm a real estate agent and I own a laundromat full time. I never got the feeling that she was going to sell me unnecessarily. She really had our best interest at heart, and she has been with us every step of the way. My name is Kristine Mendyk. My laundromat is the Laundry Lounge, and I am the boss here.
Kristine had a vision of what she wanted, and she had some plans laid out already, some thoughts, some sketches in her mind, and it was so fun to listen to her dream.
Having 450G machines puts us at a higher level than any other laundromat in this area. Everybody else is operating on 100, 200G machines, and the difference is clear to customers.
It didn't take as long nearly in the dryer as they usually do. Quicker, speedier time, get me home so I can go to bed. Just got off a 12-hour shift, so this is very convenient for me.
They notice it. They see these machines spinning, and when they pull their clothes out, they're not soaking wet. So that reduces their dry time and saves them money and time.
So we were thinking there's nowhere around here where the dogs can go to get washed off after they come from the beach. Hoda is a Bernedoodle. He's about 2 years old, and he loves coming here and going into the dog to wash. It's a lot easier, convenient than doing it at home.
When we first moved to Gulf Shores, we have vacation rental properties, and I was cleaning them, and there was no good laundry solution in the area. I had laundry all over my house. I was doing laundry all day long because I wasn't happy with the options.
This laundromat was built with love, sweat, and tears, literally. Kristine met every obstacle there could have been, and then some.
Some distributors and landlords that we approached didn't take me seriously. They didn't think that I was going to be able to pull off my vision. We had never owned a business before, and they didn't believe that I can do it. And that personally fuels me even more.
We are right now on our way to Kristine's second store. I remember when she called me and she said, "Trudy, do you think I'm crazy for wanting a second store?" And at the time I laughed and said, "Absolutely you are, but let's do it."
We are inside Kristine's second location, and as you can see, construction is well underway. The dryer wall is getting put in, her office space, her customer service area, her storage area.
There is a difference between doing business with a family-owned company and a large company where you're just a number. I was never just a number to LaundryLux. They worked with me, they helped me, and we're running a family business now too, so I understand the importance of that. LaundryLux has been wonderful for me as a female and for my husband and I as being new to the business. They've been welcoming on all fronts. I had names and numbers of executives, and if I needed to talk to them at any time, I could call them. We went up to New York, we got to see the plant, we got to go to service schools, we got to meet the president of the company. I mean, at that point, we were a brand new laundromat in the making, and they cared about us and they treated us like we were a part of their family.